guys, welcome to Little Things Self-Development 101 for Teens. Today I want to teach you guys how and why you should make a vision board for 2025. Alright, so what is a vision board? A vision board is simply a piece of paper with your goals in the form of pictures that represent what you want to achieve. So why are vision boards so important? Vision boards are super important because if you don't have the things you want to accomplish written down, and most people don't even think about what they want to accomplish, how are you supposed to achieve those things? So that's why having a vision board is extremely important. You have to know what you want to accomplish and you have to write them down. How do they work? The way that vision boards work is because you have taken the time to write your goals down. You're going to place it in a spot where you can see it every single day. And since you have taken the time to write those goals, your likelihood of achieving those things increase dramatically. Okay, I can't tell you enough like how much your likelihood increases when you have written down your goals. And not only that, but once you see them every single day, we'll talk a little bit more about that later in the video. Here is a 6-step guide of how to make a vision board. Step number 1, you have to decide what you want to accomplish. You need to have 7 to 10 goals, no more than 10 goals. If you have 3 or 4 goals, cool, no problem. That works. Step number 2 is you're gonna choose pictures that represent your goals. For example, I will show you also in the slides, my very first vision board I created in 2018. One of the things I wanted to stop doing was quit smoking. So I printed this little picture that represented that goal. Step number 3, you're going to want to save them on a Word document and you're gonna want to print them. Step number 4, you're gonna glue them on a board like a white piece of paper, kind of like I did. This was my very first one, so I didn't get super creative, but get as creative as you want, or you can make it as simple as you want. This was mine. Step number 5, once your vision board is completed, you're going to want to place it in a spot that you're gonna see it every single day. What I usually tell my teen family members and the people I talk to is put it by your room, maybe right by your bed or somewhere in your room where you're gonna see it every single day, okay? And finally, step number 6, what you're gonna want to do is you are going to want to review your goals every single day. Yes, I know. You think it sounds a little crazy. Every single day, either in the morning or at night or both. If you can do both, that's amazing. What's gonna happen is that your likelihood of achieving those goals is going to increase, not only because you've taken the time to write the goals and put them on a board, but you are going to see them every single day. Okay, so it's just repetition. The more that you see something, the more that you hear something, you're gonna be drawn towards that thing. So your decisions that you make on a daily basis, even unconsciously, are going to be towards those goals. It's amazing what just seeing something every single day will do to your mindset. So I showed you my very first vision board 2018. I have literally accomplished every single thing on this board, okay? And this is just my very first one. I literally was able to check everything off because it's amazing. It blew my mind once I learned how to make vision boards and I checked every single goal off. I never want to go one more year of my life without having a vision board. I learned how to make vision boards through my older brother. He introduced me to the cheerleader of dreams, Terri Savelle Foy. She always quotes a Bible verse, and that is found in Proverbs 29:18, and it says, "Without a vision, my people perish." Human beings were created to achieve things. So if you don't have any goals, you need to get some goals, okay? Because that is the reason why human beings are on Earth. We're supposed to dominate Earth, which means we dominate every area of our life. You know, our weight loss, finances, you know, professional and like school classes. We are supposed to achieve things, okay? All right, guys, that's it for the video. I hope this video was able to point you in the right direction as to how and why you should create a vision board. I hope it motivated you. And if this video helped you, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with somebody that you think might benefit from this. Also, have fun making your vision board. And once you start achieving and checking off all those goals, feel free to come back to the comment section and let us know how this vision board worked for you and the things you've achieved. All right, thank you so much. See you guys next time.